Meme mania continues. Now, this is really be very like I'm really, really sure of this is me. I'm like conviction trade here that this is hedge fund factor rotation short covering rally. GameStop might have been triggered by a 10B stock buyback. It might have been triggered by Roaring Kitty. It might have, who knows? The dealers were completely offsides. Every single call and put was in the money yesterday. They have one job. So hedge funds are blowing out that are obviously caught off guards. Dealers aren't doing really well, by the way, with that action. It's a mess. It's a cluster.
This short clip is presented by Club. Club provides access to Samantha LaDuc and her team of professional macro and micro traders, analysts, and educators. Club is ideal for active traders, investors, and institutions who want Samantha's best-of-breed market timing calls across all asset classes and timeframes like chase, swing, and trend. Get the trade before it happens. Sign up to Club now and get full access to daily live trading room with Samantha LaDuc, Slack trading desk with detailed analysis and trades, custom trade support when you need it, and much more. For more information, visit www.LaDucTrading.com/club.
So it has triggered all the short covering, and you can see the excellent work that Tiffany has done on assembling, and Michael also has in his channel a bunch of, he peppered yesterday during the trading room and also in his channel. And Tiffany's got the Bloomberg, most shorted basket from Goldman, a whole bunch of stuff. Anyway, long story short, this is hedge fund short covering. My favorite was SPWR because yesterday I thought it was 93% short interest. It's actually 95% short interest. So my second was LMMD. My third was BYND and BB. These can last one and done. These can last days or weeks. But this will produce volatility. I've never seen a hedge fund factor rotation short covering rally that I have covered over the years, many times. Some are small, some are really big, but I have never not seen volatility in the market not follow. I use a lot of double negatives. It just means we're going to get volatility. So that's all. Just be very careful on this stuff. One of the reasons why I was like, I wouldn't short GameStop yesterday, but these look like they haven't triggered yet. Let's see what they look like today. So you've got pretty much anything you are chasing. Now, macro folks are not going to care. They're going to sit back and watch all this from the sidelines. They're going to watch some of their buddies get carried out in body bags because this is short covering of very, very intensity that will absolutely result. Like the firm there, the Tiger guy. Oh, it started with an A. He's got a hearing right now. In fact, he's got a lawsuit. Whatever, Archipelagus, whatever. The point is there will be blood. But for right now, I know you're just interested in chasing. So this is what I got. SPWR, that was my fave. You can pick whatever you got. There's a whole bunch of great lists, and check out also Mikey's channel. But big picture, I'm also watching the dollar yen behind the scenes. SPWR is one that had this gorgeous push yesterday at 249 with a 55-day expectation. We actually closed above the 65-day of the 55-day at 265. And that was, I'm just kind of showing you over here. Number one is what I'm showing you on the weekly. Even though this is a solar company not doing well, like run, they're a bunch of junk and going concern and tariffs. Oh my, doesn't matter. If you can see on the weekly, it's going to be all the way up practically to 777. So this is what I did. I just put the weekly and I superimposed it, overlaid it right over here to the hourly. So this is why it's so helpful if you're not just in stock, but if you trade the stock, you can also do the options, but they're 500 IV. You have to have a move like this of 100% just to make decent. To me, this is so much better. There's a lot of meme stocks this morning. You can see I kind of put together a meme mania list, AMC, GME, Rent, SPWR, that was really nice. BB is up 23%. BYND was another one. I know some of you were already in NVAX, which was a big Sanofi investment. Anyway, the point is, let me know what you're looking at. I like the BYND. I'm just more familiar with BYND, BB, and SPWR. So LMMD is one that it's a SPAC. So no, it's not normally one. It's a Chamath, I think, SPAC. But I really, really, really like this Bollinger Band squeeze, right? And I said yesterday, we get above 1859, we're going to tag 1994. We get above 21, this thing's going to run to 24. It's working. It has a gorgeous scoop pattern. I still think 21's coming to a theater near you with LMMD. SPWR, also, obviously, the reason for the season, 93, I thought was short percent interest, it's 95. Anyway, you got this candle. I can't even show you the stuff anymore because it's 116%, and that was the trigger, 249. As long as it closed above the 55 day, and it did, this thing is lit, but it is having major volatility. So if you did stock and you got some this morning, great. Otherwise, options will just start to do their thing. So this to me is no fun to do an option that is going to quickly get destroyed in pre-market. That's why I really, really prefer the stock in these low-priced meme mania plays. All right, BB is hitting its head on the 50-week. This is actually probably going to go anyway. In other words, this is gorgeous scoop pattern. It just needs to get above 371. In other words, obviously, I'm picking stocks that I know I'm much more familiar with, but also that had a chart pattern that was already forming. Look at this, gorgeous. Even if we weren't in meme mania, I probably would have said, hey, look at this one. All right, and beyond, you know that this is also a high short interest with an inverse head and shoulders. If this meme mania, which is just the short form of hedge fund factor rotation short covering, it's a lot easier to say meme mania, then this is going to stay above 888, and those shorts are going to be forced to cover, and it's going to head up to 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17. It is getting digested on the early morning, and be careful, that's a head and shoulders. Yes, evening star reversal, a breakdown below 888. It's going to see some digestion. SPWR is one that's going to be attracting, I think, a lot of drama, and it's not, I got to go over here. Yeah, it's not even holding. So look at this, look at this, look at this. Lemonade looks great. Bed, Blackberry. We don't have a Bed Bath & Beyond anymore. It's gone. Lemonade, I just really like the structure of this chart. This is the Chamath Insurance. This just looks fabulous to me. Head to 21. Absolutely. So Lemonade had not really done anything more than perfectly get above this 18.5. Same thing, BB and Beyond and SPWR hadn't even really triggered. And Beyond is staying above the 200, or more specifically, we just need to get above 888. This is definitely not a good signal, though, for the day. Looks like it's gonna more likely break down. Blackberry breaking down doesn't mean it's done, but it's definitely, look how they're losing and fading very strongly. Get in, get out.
Subscribe to LaDuc Trading YouTube channel for more live trading room recap videos and other content.